everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Athena, and today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, conquering loneliness. Whether you're navigating life solo by choice or circumstance, join me as we explore practical tips and insights on finding true joy in your own company. Let's uncover the secrets to embracing solitude and thriving independently. Stay tuned. We all feel lonely sometimes. It's a feeling that can creep up on us unexpectedly, whether we're surrounded by people or completely alone. It's a normal human emotion, one that everyone experiences at some point in their lives. Loneliness is a part of the human condition. Loneliness can feel heavy, like a weight on our chest, making it hard to breathe or think clearly. It can be an overwhelming sensation that takes over our entire being. It can make us feel disconnected from others, even in a room full of people. This disconnection can lead to a sense of isolation that is hard to shake off. We might feel like we don't belong, like we're out of place in our own lives. Loneliness doesn't discriminate. It can touch anyone, anywhere, at any time. It can affect anyone, regardless of age, background, or social status. From the young to the elderly, from the wealthy to the less fortunate, loneliness knows no boundaries. It's important to remember that we are not alone in feeling this way. There is a shared human experience in our feelings of loneliness. Millions of people around the world experience loneliness. This shared experience can be a source of comfort and connection. Recognizing our loneliness is the first step to overcoming it. By acknowledging our feelings, we can begin to address them. We need to acknowledge these feelings. We can't ignore them or pretend they don't exist. Facing our emotions head-on is crucial. Pushing them down won't make them go away. In fact, it often makes them stronger and more persistent. Instead, let's be kind to ourselves. Self-compassion is a powerful tool in combating loneliness. Let's treat ourselves with the same compassion we would offer a friend. We deserve to be gentle and understanding with ourselves. We deserve our own love and understanding. By embracing self-love and self-acceptance, we can begin to heal the wounds of loneliness and find a path to connection and belonging. Overcoming loneliness takes courage. It requires us to step outside our comfort zones. We need to reach out to others. Building connections takes effort. Start small. Strike up a conversation with someone at the grocery store. Smile at a stranger. These small interactions can brighten someone's day, including our own. Join a club or group that interests you. Shared interests create common ground. It's easier to connect with people who enjoy similar things. Remember, vulnerability is a strength, not a weakness. Letting others see our true selves can foster deep connections. Finding our tribe can make a world of difference. It's about discovering those special people who resonate with our true selves. Our tribe is the group of people who truly get us. They are the ones who understand our quirks, our passions, and our dreams. They accept us for who we are, flaws and all. In their presence, we feel a sense of comfort and security. Community provides a sense of belonging. It's a place where we can share our joys and sorrows, our successes and failures. It gives us a place where we feel seen and heard. In a supportive community, our voices matter and our stories are valued. We can be ourselves without judgment. It's a space where authenticity is celebrated and we can let our guard down. Volunteering is a great way to connect with our community. It allows us to meet like-minded individuals who share our values and passions. Helping others gives us a sense of purpose. It reminds us that we are part of something bigger than ourselves. It allows us to make a difference in the lives of others. Through acts of kindness, we build stronger bonds and create lasting memories. Remember, building a supportive community takes time. It's a journey of mutual respect, trust, and shared experiences. Be patient and keep putting yourself out there. You'll find your people. The connections you make will enrich your life in ways you never imagined. Hobbies are more than just pastimes. They are opportunities for joy, growth, and connection. Engaging in activities we love can boost our mood and reduce stress. Join a book club, take a cooking class, or learn a new language. Group activities provide a structured environment for socializing. Sharing our passions with others creates instant connections. It gives us something to bond over and talk about. Remember, it's never too late to try something new. Step outside your comfort zone and explore your interests. You might be surprised at what you discover. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment. It's about noticing our thoughts and feelings without judgment. Mindfulness helps us connect with ourselves. Meditation, deep breathing, and yoga are all forms of mindfulness. These practices can calm our minds and reduce anxiety. When we are present, we are more open to connection. We can fully engage with others and appreciate the beauty around us. Remember, mindfulness is a skill that takes practice. Be patient with yourself and start with a few minutes each day. Alone time is not the enemy. In fact, it's essential for our well-being. Solitude gives us time to recharge, reflect, and reconnect with ourselves. Embrace the freedom of solitude. Use this time to pursue your passions, relax, and simply be. Read a book, listen to music, or take a long bath. Solitude allows us to get to know ourselves better. We can explore our thoughts and feelings without distractions. Remember, alone time is a gift, not a punishment. Embrace it and use it to nurture your soul. Nature has a way of calming our minds and lifting our spirits. The vastness of the mountains, the serenity of the forests, and the endless horizon of the ocean all have a unique way of bringing peace to our hearts. Spending time outdoors can reduce stress, improve our mood, and boost our creativity. Whether it's a challenging hike through dense woods or a leisurely picnic in a sunlit meadow, the benefits are profound and numerous. Take a walk in the park, go for a hike in the woods, or simply sit by the ocean. Each of these activities offers a different way to connect with nature and find inner peace. Breathe in the fresh air and appreciate the beauty around you. Notice the vibrant colors of the flowers, the gentle sway of the trees, and the mesmerizing hues of the sunset. Nature reminds us that we are part of something larger than ourselves. The vast expanse of the night sky, filled with countless stars, can make us feel both small and significant at the same time. It helps us feel grounded and connected to the world around us. The simple act of touching the rough bark of a tree or sitting quietly in a garden can bring a sense of calm and belonging. Remember to disconnect from technology and truly immerse yourself in nature. Turn off your devices and let the natural world captivate your senses and rejuvenate your spirit. Let the sounds of birdsong and the rustling leaves soothe your soul. Embrace the tranquility that nature offers and allow it to heal and inspire you. Learning keeps our minds sharp and our spirits engaged. It gives us a sense of purpose and accomplishment. Expanding our knowledge opens up new worlds and possibilities. Take a class, read a book, or watch a documentary on a subject that interests you. Challenge yourself to learn something new every day. Learning can be a social activity too. Join a book club, attend a lecture, or discuss your latest discoveries with friends. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey. Embrace curiosity and never stop exploring the world around you. Self-care is not selfish. It's essential for our physical, mental, and emotional health. When we take care of ourselves, we are better equipped to connect with others. Make time for activities that nourish your soul. Get enough sleep, eat healthy foods, and move your body regularly. Treat yourself with kindness and compassion. Speak to yourself with the same love and understanding you would offer a friend. Remember, self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Prioritize your well-being and make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Connection is not a destination, it's a journey. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns along the way. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories. Every step you take towards connection is a step in the right direction. Remember that building meaningful relationships takes time and effort. Be open to new experiences and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Most importantly, never give up on the power of connection. It's what makes life worth living. True joy comes from within. It starts with loving and accepting ourselves for who we are. When we appreciate our own company, we are less reliant on others for validation. Embrace your quirks, celebrate your strengths, and accept your imperfections. You are perfectly imperfect, and that's what makes you unique. Spend time doing things you love, whether it's reading, writing, painting, or simply enjoying a quiet cup of coffee. Remember, you are worthy of love and belonging, starting with your own. Embrace your individuality and find joy in the beautiful tapestry of your own company. Thank you all for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful in your journey to conquer loneliness and discover the joy of being alone. Remember, you're never truly alone when you're comfortable with yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, and I will try my best to respond to each and every one of you. Until next time, take care and stay empowered.